We don't often encourage people to raise their voices too loudly in the library, but there are moments when we need to stand up and make sure we are heard. It's been said that libraries are the last bastion of democracy in this country, and Rhode Island's public libraries are no exception. We open our doors to all, ready to engage and assist our users in their quest to find information, knowledge, and entertainment. Library support in our state is very high, and our patrons know the intrinsic value of being able to freely access books, movies, high-speed internet, educational classes, cultural programs, and more. We're here today because Big Publishing has put Rhode Islanders' free, fair, and equitable access to state libraries at risk. Big Publishing, and particularly Macmillan Publishing, has targeted libraries and created unfair and unconstitutional restrictions on how and when public libraries can purchase ebooks. Ocean State Libraries introduced ebook borrowing in 2008, and library users immediately took to the service because it was convenient. But more importantly, the introduction of ebooks has allowed libraries in every city and town to be even more accessible to more people. Low-income Rhode Islanders with disabilities, and older Rhode Islanders. Ebooks increase access for those who do not have the financial means to purchase every book they wish to read. Being able to check out ebooks from home has helped Rhode Islanders with physical limitations or people who don't have transportation to get to the library. The lightweight portability and simple touchscreens of e-readers and tablets help those who cannot turn the pages of a print book, and the unique ability to change the font size, background color, and brightness of an ebook has opened up a whole new reading world for those people with visual limitations and Rhode Islanders with dyslexia. Rhode Islanders count on our robust catalog of ebooks, and we are lucky to have such a robust catalog because of our unique statewide consortium. That consortium is a huge benefit for Rhode Island. It allows Rhode Islanders to visit and check out books from any public library in the state. It gives individual library locations the power of bulk purchasing, and it enhances programming for library users of all ages and income. But it also puts Rhode Island at a disproportionate risk of being harmed by Macmillan's anti-library ebook embargo. Macmillan's new policy restricts library systems from purchasing more than one copy of a new release ebook for the first 8 weeks of publication. Because of our unique situation in Rhode Island, that means we have one license for the entire state. Could you imagine a scenario where 1 million potential library users had to share a single hard copy of the latest bestseller? Macmillan's policy is unfair. We want the opportunity to purchase a license like any other consumer. In fact, we already pay publishers up to 4 times more for each individual license than the typical consumer. And we also have to renew this license every 2 years. We have been paying these high prices because our central mission is to provide access to information for everyone in whatever format serves them best. Macmillan's unfair business practice flies in the face of our mission. Macmillan's new terms hurt our ability to provide ebooks to the very library patrons who need them the most. It also dismisses the fact that libraries, by providing readers with a wide access to their authors and works, are partners and not adversaries of the publishing industry. In the weeks ahead, the Rhode Island Library Association will continue to raise our voice on this issue. Last month, we held a roundtable meeting with Congressman Cicilline in his capacity as the chair of the Subcommittee on Antitrust, Commercial, and Administrative Law, and will participate in his antitrust event later this month in Providence. Our members will begin reaching out to and requesting meetings with local mayors and town managers to encourage local leaders to join the American Library Association's Ebooks for All campaign. And I'd like to take a moment to thank our Mayor Allan Fung for being an early adopter to this campaign and for joining us here today. The Rhode Island Library Association will strongly support and testify in favor of legislation that Senator Mark McKenney has filed. And I'll let him speak more about that directly in a few minutes. And then later this month, the Rhode Island Library Association will meet with a team from the Attorney General's Civil Division to explore any potential legal measures we can take to block Macmillan's unfair, anti-competitive, and anti-library policies. In conclusion, libraries have been a central pillar of American democracy going back to our founding. With each introduction of new technology and new platforms, we've taken steps to adapt and be relevant in new ways. Ebooks are not a luxury. They are a core component of our catalog. And as librarians who live and work in communities across Rhode Island, we will not sit quietly as Macmillan aims to take away the access from our communities. Thank you.